Hey, how you doing, YouTube? I need your help. Here I have my Yamaha WaveRunner XL1200. I'm having a hard time getting it started. So I'm gonna show you what it does. All it does is try to turn over. I have a full tank of gas, but maybe it's been sitting for like a year. So normally it'll be pretty easy to start. So I'm not sure what's going on. Let me check this one more time. There we go. That's all it'll do. That's all it'll do. I don't know if it's the fuel, running the fuel pump, starter. I don't think it's starter because it has good spark. I know the engine motor is good, but I'm not sure. I'm doing it one more time. Whatever you guys think, man, please let me know.